welcome back. Today I'm going to show you one more recipe for a fermented sauce. This is my favorite and it doesn't take much to make, only 5 days, only few ingredients and you are done. Sweet, sour, spicy, hot. Sauce will be ready. Let me show you quickly what are the ingredients I have used here. It's 4 to 5 days. Singapore is very hot. I can't keep for long. So I have to strain now and I have to blend. But if you are staying in a country where the weather is not very hot, you can keep for 7 to 8 days. And then you can blend. So you can see the vegetables are quite soft. I'm going to use few more ingredients to make the sauce. I will use little bit vinegar, white vinegar. I have taken distilled white vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar as well. Going to use some salt because when you add vinegar you will need some salt. I'm going to use some sugar. This will enhance the taste. And then I have few fermented chilies. This one I will add because I want my sauce to be a little bit more spicy. While I was making this one, I did not add much chilies. So I'm going to add few more chilies from my previous lacto fermentation. So adding inside the blender. And then adding some vinegar, brown sugar, and salt, some chilies, and little brine. Need to taste little bit. It's very hot, but it's really amazing. You see the color? So vibrant, right? Yeah. So my favorite pepper, chilies and pineapple sauce is ready. You can make at home and let me know how it was. But careful, it's quite hot. If you like this video, comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button. Hit the bell button. See you again. दिल न टूटे खुदा का ये घर है, तेरे सजदे में अपना सर है। माही वे मोहब्बत सचिया ने, मांगदा नसीबा कुछ और है। किस्मत ने मारे उसकी करिए, किस्मत ने मारे उसकी करिए, किस्मत ने मारे उसकी करिए, किस्मत पे किसका जोर है। माहिर वे